Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access PS5. Let's start by entering the settings icon and then the network option. Inside here, we're going to check if our connection is good. To do this, we will first click on Test Internet Connection and check if the results returned are correct. We can also click on View PlayStation Network Status to see if the PlayStation servers are working well. If we have a good connection but we still have problems, we will do the following. On the left side, we will click on Settings and then deactivate and reactivate the Connect to the Internet switch to restart the connection. If we still have a Wi-Fi error, we are going to click on Set up Internet Connection. We place ourselves on our current Wi-Fi internet connection and press the Options button on your remote. In this drop-down, we are going to try Forget the network completely and reconnect. We will also check that the selected Wi-Fi band is correct. If after these steps you still have problems, try changing the DNS. To do this, from this same drop-down menu, click on Advanced Settings. After that, we will look for the DNS settings option and choose Manual Mode. Here we are going to configure the primary DNS and secondary DNS with the values you see on the screen and apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. By making these changes, you should now have access to the internet. If not, restart your router and check if you have internet on other devices. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.